Dear brothers and sisters, may all of us be well, healthy, and happy. What would we do when having a cough? Normally, we go to the clinic to get some medicine. Sometimes we purchase over-the-counter medicines from local shops. All these medicines help to relieve cough and overcome it. However, in the case of a prolonged cough, all these medicines might not work. Today, I'm sharing the story of my old friend, Patricia Liu. She was having a prolonged cough for 27 years. In 1995, she began to have a bad cough. She tried all types of medicines, Western, Eastern, and even home remedies. Nothing worked. Her cough remained. It was a hacking cough for her. She was sensitive to cold and dust. Air conditioning made her cough badly. She coughed during the summer and badly during the winter. Her sleep and work were affected. She was suffering. In 2019, her sister recommended her to do one type of exercise. She had to do the exercise for half an hour daily. To see the impact, she has to do the exercise for 100 days. Since my friend suffered prolonged cough for the last 27 years, she decided to give herself a chance to try. She was determined. Amazingly, within 2 months, her prolonged cough was gone. In the meantime, her backache was also gone. It was such a big relief for her. She becomes very confident. She continued to do the exercise for half an hour daily until today. What is this exercise? The answer is in the following video. If you are having a bad cough and also poor health, give yourself a chance to do this exercise. I understand that many people improve their health after doing this exercise. You might be another additional one. Thank you, Patricia Liu, for sharing this info and experience. Your story is going to help many people to enhance their health. Thank you, everyone, for the attention. Best health to all.
Thank the instructor for the demonstration. Now let's practice together. We will practice for 30 minutes total, divided into 3 rounds. Every 10 minutes, we'll take a short break to relieve any lower body soreness. Now concentrate. Watch the demonstration carefully. Let's begin. Be mindful of your posture. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and parallel to each other. Look downwards. Keep your feet apart at shoulder width. Toes pointed forward. Stand firmly on the ground. Stand straight. Maintain your balance. Gently close your eyes. Smile. Relax. Breathe through your nose. Remain calm. Relax completely for better results later. Good. Open your eyes slowly. Raise both arms to shoulder height. Keep shoulders, elbows, and fingers in a straight line. Gently stretch them forward. Very good. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Listen
1,
to the tempo.
2, 3,
Swing in a relaxed
4,
way.
5.
On the
1,
fifth repetition,
2,
slightly bend your
3,
knees and dip
4,
down twice.
5. 1,
Lower is
2,
not better.
3, 4.
Keep your knees
5,
flexible and relaxed
1,
while bending.
2, 3.
Focus on the
4,
swing.
5.
Let go of all
1,
trivial thoughts.
2, 3, 4.
Breathing
5,
through the mouth consumes
1,
more energy.
2, 3.
Breathe through the nose
4,
only.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Stay relaxed
1
and smile.
2, 3, 4.
The more you swing,
5,
the longer you will benefit.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Concentrate to
5,
bring relaxation.
1,
Watch
2,
the instructor's demonstration.
3, 4, 5. 1,
Swing
2,
steadily.
3, 4, 5.
Swing
1,
to balance.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Swing to right
1,
yourself.
2, 3, 4.
Get rid of the
5.
bad energy.
1, 2, 3.
Get
4,
rid of sickness.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Breathe normally.
1, 2.
Swing naturally.
3, 4, 5. 1,
Swing both arms
2,
like pendulums.
3, 4, 5. 1, 2.
The more
3,
relaxed and consistent
4,
you are, the better the
5.
results you will achieve.
1, 2.
It drives the circulation of
3,
qi and
4,
blood more easily.
5. 1, 2, 3.
Do not
4,
go above shoulder height
5.
while swinging forward.
1,
Swing
2,
backwards as far as you
3,
can without being
4,
forceful.
5. 1, 2.
Swing gently.
3, 4, 5. 1.